CES, we got to reconnect with a company we've heard about in the past, and that was the Bebird, which focuses a lot on ear cleaning tech and EarVision tech. So you might know them from their EarVision, which is a really good system that not only looks in the ear, but also has a series of tools you can add and connect to it to allow it to either administer eardrops directly to injuries or help clear out earwax or get things that might be stuck in the ear out. It's almost like having an ear doctor in home. However, I would say that you gotta be really careful to not mess up anything, and it's always best when something happens to consult an actual ear doctor if you're worried. However, for things like just applying ointment or seeing what's going on in there, if you want to do a quick check, this tool is amazing. Well, now they've got their next great tool, and that is the EarSight Flow. The EarSight Flow is a set of headphones that literally goes on the head, with one ear having the reservoir and the other ear having the camera and the way to administer the reservoir. It's actually brilliant the way it looks just like a set of headphones, and it even uses the headphones to help administer notifications about what's happening next in the process. That way you're not caught off guard. The way it normally works is you're going to put the reservoir cartridge in, and then when you're ready to clear the fluid through, it'll go through the headband and into the other ear. And the other ear, you have a camera that will literally go into the ear and see the area that we can see where there's agitation or problems. And then the actual camera's base will also flush that fluid into the ear canal, allowing you to clear out the space with the device. Once you're done with that, the actual earpiece for the camera will actually also administer a heating system to help dry out all that moisture in there, and then also kind of just sanitize the space a little bit more. It's a great way to making sure that not only you clean your ear, but you also keep it safe. And that's why it's a great, cool, if not covert tool for your ear care needs. So if you're looking to see something a little bit more about that, we're going to hopefully see me reviewing it down the line. But for now, hopefully you guys are interested enough to possibly pick it up once it becomes available, and we will see you in our next CES coverage.